Okay, if you're ready, I'm ready, and I'm going to reveal to you the number 2 secret about spending less on marketing and increasing your profits. Are you ready? Here it is. The number 2 secret is the power of free stuff. All right, the power of free stuff. I've got a little story for you that will just totally illuminate you on the power of free stuff. And ask Tim Bruxner, my partner, he'll tell you I've got stories for everything. This is one of my favorites. Several years ago, I was a partner, a co-owner in a whole grain bakery in Nashville, Tennessee. And the way we decided to divide up our duties was my partner was going to be in charge of production, baking and creating the breads, and I was going to be the sales guy. I was going to be in charge of selling it and marketing those breads. Well, and he chose that because I do have a marketing background and PR background, and it worked just fine for us. Bakeries, not very interesting. How do you market something like that? What do you do? Well, I thought, well, the best way to do it is to do the power of free, give some free stuff away. So I went down to the local restaurant supply store and I got a great big vinyl cutting board, like a 4x6, 4 foot by 6 foot vinyl cutting board, and plop it down in the front of the counter, right in the front of the bakery. And whenever we did loaves of bread, we always did them in batches of about 25. Well, at the end of that batch, we always had one loaf that was too light. We couldn't sell it as a full loaf because it didn't weigh 2.2 pounds. So my direction to my employees was, when you get the runt loaf, the small loaf from the batch, make it into a round loaf so we know that that's the one we can't sell. So what we did was we took the round loaves and we put them on the counter and we cut those rounds into pieces, into slices, and we gave the bread away. Well, that worked pretty well for the first week, and I decided, well, shoot, there's no reason why we can't do that with cookies and muffins and cinnamon rolls, everything we did there. So we cut up muffins and cookies and cinnamon rolls and did the same thing. We put them on the cutting board and cut samples away and cut them up and gave big slices of bread, generous slices of bread to our customers. We had some butter up there so they could put some butter on their bread or on their muffins or whatever. I can tell you the power of this. We literally cast our bread upon the waters. In 18 months, we tripled our business because people would come in and they would taste that bread and they'd say, this bread's great. Give me 2 loaves of that. And what do those muffins taste like? Yeah, give me a dozen of those. Well, it increased our business threefold in 18 months. It was an incredible experiment in the power of free. We didn't have to force anybody to do anything. All we did was give things away. It's the power of free. And that also brings into mind another law that I want you to be aware of. It's called the law of reciprocity. When you do something for somebody and it's a nice gesture, or it's a nice thing, or it's a free thing, people feel beholden to you. They want to do something nice for you. And these are immutable powers. The power of free, the law of reciprocity, they're universal laws. You can't change them, but you can go with them. You can employ them in your business, and you can make your business grow, make your profits grow. Okay, so I know what you're saying. Chip, I have a hair salon. What am I supposed to give away? Free combs? Yeah, no. Chip, I'm an auto mechanic. What am I supposed to give away to my customers? Wrenches, screwdrivers? No, that's not going to work either. This is what I think. Find something that everybody would love, something like this. This is an all-new digital, portable, 7-inch screen television set. It's very cool. There's a lot of folks who have little portable TVs like in their kitchens and in their homes and their bedrooms that they can't use anymore now with the new digital signals. This they can use though. It's got a lithium-ion battery and it's rechargeable. It's got a USB port so you can use it to put computer stuff in there. It's got a card reader. This is an incredible little unit. And we got it. Are you ready for this? We got it for $99 at Walmart. Now y'all have Walmarts around you someplace. $99 at Walmart. You're saying, well, Chip, I can't give 100 of those away. No, you can't, but this is what you can do. Get one of these units and have a drawing every month. Have a drawing for a free portable digital television set. It's color. It's got a color picture too. It's beautiful. What you'll do is you'll set up a little fishbowl in your business and you'll have people fill in cards or fill in little forms. And on those forms, you'll get all their important information, their name, their address, their phone number, their cell number, their email address, their birthday. These are important tidbits of information about your customers, and you can collect all this information. You're saying, well, Chip, why would I collect all that? Well, you collect all that information because that information is worth its weight in gold. That's how you get in touch with people. You can use all that information to do email marketing. You can use it to do postcard marketing. You can do it to have contests. And when people win the contest, you reach your hand in the fishbowl once a month and pull out a winning entry, and the entry is going to win a free digital TV. How cool is that? That's what you can give away and experience the power of free. So I know what you're saying. That's great, Chip, but what if I don't have $100 a month to spend? Or what if I don't want to spend $100 a month to market my business? Well, first of all, we think you should. But if you don't want to do that, we have other ways. In our course called Fast Business Profits, we have a free report that you can give away. And that free report is called Cloning Yourself Using Virtual Assistants. It's a report that shows people how to put time, leisure time back in their life by using other people, other sources to do their work. And it's a free report. We license it to you. We give it to you for free. Give it away as many times as you want to, and do the same thing. Have a fishbowl in the store or in the office. Have them put entries in, and they can win that virtual report, that Clone Yourself report. We have other things that you can give away. We'll talk more about that as we go along. We just talked about the power of free stuff, and we hope that you'll see how wonderful that is, how for $99 you can get a wonderful opportunity. You can get a wonderful little unit that you can give away. And if you do this right, if you have that drawing in your office or in your store for a month, you can collect hundreds or even thousands of pieces of information, and you want that information because it's important information that will help you to market to your customers. And we'll talk more about that in other videos about how to take that information and market to your customers. But it puts you on the path of doing something new, something different, doing something in this feeble economy, in this weird economy. It gives you hope. It gives you something to do, and it does something to increase your profits. And folks, this stuff really works.